Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making sweet, spicy barbecue hummus. The idea of barbecue hummus might have you feeling a little bit skeptical, but I really encourage you to give this recipe a try. It's a little bit spicy, a little bit sweet, and just so satisfying. It's great for parties or tailgating, and it even makes a really fun sandwich spread. Let's make it! In your blender, combine a drained can of chickpeas, or you can use cooked chickpeas, along with vegan barbecue sauce, peach preserves, tahini, garlic, lime juice, and chipotle hot sauce. Let's talk a little bit about this barbecue sauce. Unfortunately, not all barbecue sauces are vegan, but it's very easy to find vegan barbecue sauces. The two non-vegan ingredients that I've seen in barbecue sauces are honey, and every once in a while you'll see barbecue sauce that contains anchovies. So those are the two main ones to look out for. And then of course, some places will make barbecue sauce with actual meat in it, not vegan. The good news is, cheap barbecue sauce often is vegan because those ingredients are pricey. So look at store brands to start, and I bet you'll find a vegan barbecue sauce within minutes at the grocery store. Now blend that up until it reaches the texture that you want. When you're done blending, dip a clean spoon in there and taste the hummus to make sure that it is flavored to your liking. You can adjust the flavors to make it spicier or sweeter, or even add a little bit of zestiness if you feel like it's missing that. If you feel like the hummus is too spicy, add some more peach preserves, that'll mellow out the heat. If you feel like it's too sweet, add in more of the chipotle hot sauce. You can also offset the sweetness by adding additional lime juice if you want to make it less sweet, but you don't want to make it spicier. So just keep tasting, blending, and tasting again until you reach the flavor that works for you. Now you're ready to serve this up with veggies and crackers for dipping. My favorite veggie to dip in this hummus is cucumber. I feel like the refreshing cucumber is such a great complement to the deep seasonings in this hummus. I hope that this video answers all of your questions about how to make this easy barbecue hummus. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!